What's up, guys? It's JT Chair back out again with another video. Finally made it back into Mississippi. I've been in Alabama for the past maybe 1 or 2 weeks, and finally back in town. Not in my city because right now I'm in Hattiesburg, just going on my morning walk and testing out my new GoPro I got. It's not the newest one, it's the Hero 7 Black. I picked it up for about $100, and I really don't know the image quality, I don't know the video quality, so I'm testing it out today. A little day in the life video, and I just kind of wanted to see the test footage, and who knows if hopefully the sound of that dog is getting picked up pretty well. I don't really know, but just want to test the image quality, the video quality today. And I'm just going on my morning walk. I just finished my workout for the morning and very exhausted, but I just want to get on the walk, and really I have to walk to my car, so it's about 1.5 miles out. I'll keep y'all updated, and I hope y'all enjoy the video. Okay, so I just walked past the trail about, if you can see that stop sign right up there, it's a trail. I don't know how long it is, I don't know where it goes, but I'll probably have to check that out later on. Like I said, my car is about 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles out. I had to park it somewhere else because I don't have a parking pass and didn't want my car to get towed. So I'm a little far away from home, about an hour, but let's just see where things take us today. So I just walked about 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles. Car's right there. So small in that parking space, but it feels weird to actually have my car back after 2 weeks and driving around. I think I missed that the most. Back to the Miata. I don't think I showed y'all any of the damage. Most of my damage is in the rear quarter panel. I chipped off all the Bondo, a crap load of Bondo on it. I do plan on wide bodying this, and also when I hit the tree, most of my damage was front end, but it's not really too much damage. I have a front bumper at home, and I really just want to go back through the body of this car and make it all right. But in the meantime, it's hot. I'm about to probably get me some food and something to drink, because that was a long walk, or a longer walk than I'm used to.
Take care of my
I think it's a mall nearby. I already got water from Sonic, so I really don't have a need to go to Starbucks or anything like that. So I'm most likely gonna check out the mall. I think they have a Zumiez in there that I like to shop at, so I'm gonna check that out, and then probably go and get some food and head home. I just really went on a walk to just pick up the car and test out the GoPro, so let me know how the footage looks. I'll probably get a few more cinematic shots in and then call it a day. So I just spotted a Best Buy over in that little shopping center over there. Since I do have the GoPro, I'm gonna check out what attachment that they have, or attachments that they have for me to actually use. So I'm gonna go over there and check that out and see if I can possibly get a camera or two while I'm there. Saw me do a pull, which, crazy enough, he didn't pull me over, so that's cool. I let him get around me. Alright, so finally made it in, and I did check out the GoPro aisle, which is right here, but they don't have any of the bundles. Like, they have like the head mount, but they don't have like the full set, so I'll have to most likely order it online. But I did find this nice bag, GoPro bag, the Day Tripper. I think it's waterproof, so definitely have to get that. But enough plundering around here. Also, I never really go around Best Buy other than like the camera section. I never really even noticed anything other than that I actually would like to buy, but it's actually a lot of nice stuff in here. Like, I didn't even know they sold cookers in here. Probably want to find a bag, like a camera bag, other than the GoPro, so I can store all my camera equipment in. Wish they had bags that like charge your phone or camera inside. That'd be such a nice addition to the bag, rather than just having a bag that's waterproof. I definitely have to look into that. But they also have a mall nearby that I kind of want to check out. After I look at the earbuds or the wireless earbuds, I'll probably have to go to the mall, see if I can get some shoes, because I really wear the same beat up old Vans. I didn't even wear my running shoes today. Just wore my old Vans that I've been just dragging along for years. I have like 3 pair of them. One for just beating up on, like these, and working on cars, and then I have 1 pair that's new that I barely wear. Then I have 1 that I just like wear on occasions. But pretty much I cut today short. I went in Zumiez, checked out their shoes. I most likely have to go back to there. I just really picked up food, take back home. I think it's like 12 right now, maybe even 11. And I kind of just am tired from traveling and really just need to get some sleep, if I'm being honest. Leave a thumbs up. I really enjoyed making it. I hope the quality of the video is higher than usual. I'll most likely edit this and throw it up today because I know it's not much footage that I recorded today. But for sure I'll be uploading more often because now I have a phone, I have this camera, and I also have a Ronin S that I've been dying to use, but I didn't have the camera mount plate for it to actually do Scraping the Coast. So I do have footage that I'll probably insert as well. But y'all have a blessed day, be safe, and stay positive.